Hey guys, it's Cody again. So today I just wanted to show you a few exercises for your elbow. So if you're having any elbow pain, there are a few different exercises that are really good for that that I like to do with my patients. So basics. I'm going to use some weights today. If you don't have any weights at home, a can of beans. If you need something a little heavier than that, you can find, well, what's heavier than a can of beans? But something you can hold in your hand that makes it that's easy to get a good grip on. So anyway, first thing we're going to do is just your standard bicep curl. Okay, all you're going to do, make sure the arm's in full extension. You're going to bring it up, and then you're going to come back down. All right, that's all it is to it. Bicep curl, try and do about 20 reps. Okay. So another really good one is a tricep workout. So a tricep is in the back of your arm, okay, and it crosses over your elbow. So if you're having elbow pain more in the back of your arm, this is a really good one too. So what you're going to do is you're going to lay down on your back, and then you're going to keep your elbow, make sure your elbow's pointed at the ceiling, and then you're just going to straighten your arm up, and then bring it back down. The key is making sure that that elbow is pointed at the ceiling the whole time, okay? So the next ones we like to do are actually some wrist exercises. So the reason we do that is because all the muscles that work at the wrist also cross over the elbow. So this bulk of your arm right here that's right at your elbow, all those motions help control the wrist. So one of my favorites is I call it a hammer rainbow. And you can use a weight at home, or a hammer is actually a great tool for this one. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it and you're just going to come to one side, and then you're going to bring it all the way over, okay? Do a few of these, and I promise you will feel it up here at your elbow. So 20 of these as well. Every one of these exercises I'm going to show you, usually about 20 reps or until fatigue, which means just until your muscle gets tired, okay? So hammer rainbows. Next ones we're going to do, still at the wrist, okay? So we have wrist flexion. So basically, make sure your hand is facing the ceiling. Bring that hand up, and then come back down. Same thing, holding a can of beans, or if that's too hard, you can do it just with your hand, okay? So this is flexion. Then you're gonna flip your hand over, okay, so that your palm is facing the ground, and then you're gonna come up. We call this wrist extension, okay? And this works these muscles up here as well. So 20 of all of these guys. And then the last one I like to do is keeping your thumb up towards the sky here, and then you're gonna bring your thumb up and down. Okay, these are all great elbow exercises, and if you have any questions or you're still having pain after you've tried some of these, well then come give us a call. We're over here at Lonoke Physical Therapy, and we would love to see you. Thanks, guys.